And there's the LiftX and Uncle Tank. Very happy. Go get some up at the DeWeese good wave area. Bottom turns, came all the way down to the peak, past that surfer, popped out, turned right back around on the wave, didn't even change my feet or anything. It was like constant. That's awesome.
Catch all the waves. If you like to surf waves, it's wave after wave. It's all you want all day long. So it's
you heard it here from Uncle Tank. Wave after wave.
Converted. It's the surfing hack. Like, it's crazy.